जिस तरह इन्होंने इनिशिएटिव लेकर ये लसीकरण कर रहे हैं, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। हर कंपनी और संस्था ने इस तरह से अपना स्टाफ और भी सोशल माध्यम से और लोगों को भी इस तरह से लसीकरण करेंगे तो मैं समझता हूँ देश के हर नागरिक का लसीकरण होगा। हमारे देश के पंतप्रधान माननीय मोदी साहब ने कल ही घोषित किया है कि हर आदमी को वैक्सीन लगाया जाएगा फ्री ऑफ चार्ज, ऐसा उन्होंने घोषित किया। मगर ये कंपनी इनिशिएटिव लेकर जिस तरह से काम कर रहे हैं, ये सोशल काम है, बहुत ही अच्छा काम है, तो मैं उनको थैंक करता हूँ सभी को। बहुत अच्छा काम है और इसके आगे भी समाज और स्टेट कंट्री के लिए इस तरह का सहयोग ये देंगे, ऐसा उम्मीद करता हूँ। और मैं बहुत खुश हुआ ये देखकर एक शिपिंग कंपनी जो हमेशा समुद्र में अपना व्यवसाय करती है, मगर आज इस ऑफिस में इंसानियत के माध्यम से ये वैक्सीन लगाने का जो काम किया है वो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है। मगर हमारे देश के लिए शिपिंग ये व्यवसाय इससे आगे भी बढ़ना चाहिए। और मैं समझता हूँ कि हमारे देश में अलग अलग बिजनेस है, वैसे शिपिंग एक बिजनेस है। कंट्री की प्रोग्रेस के लिए ये शिपिंग कंपनी जितने बढ़ेंगे और ज़्यादा बिजनेस करेंगे वो हमारे कंट्री के लिए बहुत अच्छी बात है।
Thanks Delphi for being here. It's such a pleasure. Yes, this was something which we always had on our mind when the pandemic broke into our country as well. As we all know that seafarers are pretty much the frontline workers, and they are the single strength of the nation in many ways, with transporting goods both in form of bulk and solid, bulk and oil. The key is that this drive was by Suntec Group for the vaccination was mainly to ensure that all our people are safe and sound. As you know that our office staff lives with their families and with their parents, so the idea was that before we open the office we make sure that we make their family safe, and also also their parents. So it is ideal that we extended this benefit to all the family members of our office staff and to all the family members of our seafarers. The key here is, I would like to say that in difficult times to stand up and hold the baton is very important. And as a company we've always done that and we'll continue to do that. What makes it a little different is that we believe that the fraternity is our family, the shipping fraternity. So we've also included other people, other companies within our system, and our other seafarers who are sailing with other companies. They all belong to the same family. So that is the whole idea of making sure about this drive that we have done today for about 700 people. I am very sure that we will need to take the second shot once the government decides on the number of days that has to elapse before the second shot. So we will advise all our people to do the second shot as well in the same fashion. The key is that yes, it's a difficult situation, but you know, smart people and people with courage always rise over it. So I think seafarers have done a wonderful job. All I can end this with is that they have been absolutely a delight to work with, despite the family pressures, despite the families being alone. They have done a wonderful job. I'm absolutely confident that we will see better days. But yes, we have to be careful and we need to ensure that the whole country is vaccinated as per what our Prime Minister has also been very vocal about, and he has done a wonderful job. We have undertaken right from the start, when the vaccines became available, is to pursue the fact that we can go back to the countries where the ships can get, the ship people on board can get vaccines. So what we have managed is, while US has been very cooperative, so almost about 8 of our ships have already got full seafarers vaccinated with the one-shot Johnson & Johnson vaccine. And we are pursuing that in Europe as well, and I believe that UK is also opening up. It's a bit of a tough process, but I'm very confident that it will go through very well. and we will have majority of our seafarers vaccinated well in time. So even now on leave, so most of our seafarers who could not make it for this because they live far away, we are helping them in their remote locations to get their vaccines.
I think we have started this drive for vaccinating our seafarers. That's very important. World shipping is seeing some unprecedented times. Many countries are prohibiting seafarers from traveling without vaccination. So I thought our contribution to our seafarers is to primarily safeguard them against the virus. So we've done this exercise of arranging vaccinations for all the seafarers, their families, and their household members. Keep them safe until they can join the ship soon.
So pre-pandemic was a different era altogether as per me. I mean, since COVID kicked in, things have been completely different. The first 3 months definitely was the worst because by the time the world realized what's happening around with everyone, it took a little bit of time for people to gather the whole dynamic of the situation. And slowly and steadily everyone realized what is the way forward. And the way forward was not only about executing crew changes, the way forward was to execute crew changes safely because, well, you've got possibly, I mean, the kind of help you have on board a ship medically is more or less negligible. Yes, our seafarers are trained in first aid and everything, but well, you know, they are not equipped, the ships are not equipped to cater to any serious kind of emergencies. So yes, there was a lot of challenges with limited flights working and the COVID situation different in different states. So we had to very closely monitor the whole process, put in a very stringent SOP to follow, and identify the correct ports where we could execute the crew changes. So that was a major challenge because the world had not seen anything of this sort before COVID, these kind of dynamics. So yes, so by the time we settled into the group, then we had the second wave hitting the entire world. So with the second wave, again the dynamics changed, again the SOPs had to be revised, and yeah, it was kind of a continual improvement which every shipping company had to go through, and Sunteck was no different. Now with vaccinations kicking in, we are very confident that once the Indian seafarers are fully vaccinated, things will be much more simpler, much more easier, and we sincerely hope that the ports in the Far East would start opening up because that's a trading area for vessels where not many crew changes have been possible. So we are sincerely hoping that we'll see a better future tomorrow.
Okay, so I think it's been sort of very fortunate for us to have been able to organize this drive to cover the families and seafarers that are working in Sunteck, including the people in the office. So it's been a great effort from the team that we have in putting this together, and hopefully it will be very beneficial for the people involved.
Yeah, that's right, and also we would like to thank BNSU and the General Secretary Suresh Salaskar for assisting us in holding this vaccination camp. It was something that we wanted to do for a while, but now that things have eased a bit, we decided that we'll get all as many people within the office and on board as seafarers vaccinated. It seems to have worked out well, and hopefully we will do this more often as the time goes by.